Dear students, today I am explaining you about archeoptarics. Archeoptarics is that is this is archeoptarics. Okay, and mm, this fossil ages we find two ways. First, radioactivity, potassium and radium is used. Second, carbon 14 dating is used. And calculating age of recent fossils. Fossils birds, archeopteryx, um, living Jurassic period 180 million years ago. It had feathers, bud structures. It also had fused bone, beak, etc. It also had teeth in jaw, teeth in jaw, claw on finger, a long tail, etc. Archaeopteryx represent a stage midway between reptiles and birds. This uh, preside a clue that birds have evolved from reptiles. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and comment.